Imagine knowing that like a well-oiled engine, your liver is purifying your body every morning and operating at peak efficiency. What if I told you that your liver could feel young and energetic forever with just one drink a day? See the secret remedy that can improve the health of your liver and keep you feeling fantastic by continuing to watch. The resilience of the liver. Your liver is a strong, resilient organ. It functions as the body's natural detoxifier, working non-stop to remove pollutants and maintain your health. With the correct practices, your liver can heal and cleanse itself. Discipline, a good diet, and frequent exercise are all that are needed. Expensive detox products are not. Let's explore how to take advantage of the liver's amazing powers. Understanding fatty liver. Let's start by discussing a prevalent problem: fatty liver. Although it's not an illness, this is a concerning sign that the liver is accumulating too much fat. Insulin resistance and other health issues may result from this. It's imperative to treat fatty liver, and making healthy lifestyle adjustments is the first step. The power of a liver-boosting smoothie. Here's the best smoothie to help your liver. This is a fantastic mixture of coriander, ginger, carrot, and beetroot. Every component works wonders for preserving liver health, lowering fatty liver, increasing metabolism, and enhancing digestion. Here is why each element is necessary. Beetroot. Packed with antioxidants, beetroot helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Carrot. Rich in beta-carotene and fiber, carrots support liver detoxification and overall health. Ginger. This spicy root enhances digestion and has anti-inflammatory properties that benefit the liver. Coriander. Known for its detoxifying effects, coriander helps flush out toxins and supports liver function. Preparing the smoothie. This smoothie is easy to make. Blend carrot, ginger, coriander, and beetroot till smooth with water. It can be consumed raw or filtered to make juice. To preserve the fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for your liver, it is better to eat it as a smoothie. After 20 days of drinking this smoothie every day, take a 20-day break before starting again. Additional tips for liver health. Beyond the smoothie, there are additional tips to keep your liver in top shape. Regular exercise. Physical activity boosts your metabolism and helps reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Eating on time. Stick to regular meal times to support your liver's natural detox cycle. Lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Adding these to your smoothie can help alleviate any bloating or discomfort, making the drink even more effective. The importance of healthy habits. Remember, detoxing your liver doesn't require special products or extreme measures. It's all about maintaining healthy habits consistently. Eating a balanced diet, staying active, and giving your liver the nutrients it needs will keep it functioning at its best. Final thoughts. A healthy liver is key to overall well-being. By incorporating this liver-boosting smoothie and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you can keep your liver youthful and vibrant. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but consistent, mindful choices that support your liver every day. Here's to a healthier, happier you.